Good afternoon and welcome. It's Alicia, your favorite realtor, and I am here in Bellah Landing subdivision, Stockbridge, Georgia, with Miss Deborah, and she's going to tell us about their newest floor plan. What do you have to show us today, Miss Deborah?
This plan is called the Halton. It is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home with a loft area. The master has a sitting room, and it comes with stainless steel appliances, 4-size brick, iron spindles, and a covered patio. You have to come see this home.
Awesome. Let's take a look inside, shall we? All right. Let's take a look inside and see what we got. Wow, look at these hardwood floors. Formal dining room. Nice. Wow, look at this open floor plan. This kitchen is huge. Tons of cabinets and counter space. Wow. Eat-in kitchen. Huge open floor plan. Look at that. Hey Deborah, is this house total electric?
This house is total electric.
Wow, look at that fireplace. Look at that ambiance, okay? And it's already pre-wired for your television and cable. Awesome. This kitchen is amazing. Does it come with any appliances?
It comes with Whirlpool stainless steel appliances.
Nice. Look at this countertop with backsplash. Tons of counter space and countertop. Let's take a look in here. Wow, look at this spacious pantry. My goodness. Lots of space. Amazing. And you also have a nice large coat closet here. Let's take a look over here. All right, looks like we have a full bath on the main, shower tub combo, a nice marble vanity, features tile floors. This is the door to your 2-car garage, very spacious garage. This home also features the irrigation sprinkler system, single garage door. And here's your guest room on the main. So it can be a guest room or an office. Let's check out the closet. All right. So nice bedroom on the first floor that has access to a full bath, guest room, office, or whatever you like, because that's your business. Okay? All right, let's see what we got going on over here. Now this home does feature the covered patio in the back, so if you want to relax and drink you a tea on the back, let's take a look at that. Wow. Wooded backyard. Completely private. Huge covered patio. Can't you see yourself just sitting out here relaxing, listening to the birds? All right. Now let's take a look upstairs. So we're gonna go back around to the front and go up this staircase here, like so, like that. Oh wow, look at this area up here. This is amazing. Huge open loft area, natural light. This is amazing. Let's see what we got over here. All right now. Okay, hello. So over here, we have a full bath, double vanity marble, of course. The door to the separate shower tub combo and toilet. And there's another door here that has a huge linen closet. So you can keep all your towels and linens right here in this bathroom. The double vanity. And you have a bedroom right here. Let's check out this closet. All right, good closet space. And this room and that room have access to that full bath, separate vanities, so they each have their own, because that's their business. Have another guest room down here. Lots of natural light. Very spacious with the walk-in closet. Okay. All right. Let's see what else we have out here. So far we've got 3 bedrooms, a full bathroom, a huge loft area. Let's take a look on this side. Oh wow, is this the master, Miss Deborah?
Yes, it is.
Wow, this master bedroom is huge. And it has a sitting area. Just to kind of give you an idea, I'm on the other side of the master bedroom now. And it has that separation for your nice sitting area. So you can set up your lounge or your reading nook. And let's see what we have over here. Ooh, double walk-in closets, okay. Hers and hers, just kidding. Clothes and shoes and bags. Double walk-in closets, tons of space. Takes you right into your master. I love a double vanity. Okay, keep your stuff on your side. This also features that nice garden soaking tub, so you can soak and relax with the towel surround. Very nice. A large tile shower. And of course, your water closet is separate, so you can close that door. Very spacious, okay? Look at that master bathroom. Very spacious, lots of space, very good. With your walk-in closets. Mine and mine, just kidding. All right, let's go back out here and see what's down this hallway. Wow, huge laundry room. Very practical. Laundry room is right here by the bedrooms. Tons of space. So that is very nice. And a very deep linen closet or hallway closet to store all your things. That's your business. And back over to this amazing loft area. All right, you guys. Well, thank you so much for coming with us through this tour of this amazing floor plan. If you would like your personal tour, please reach out. Information is in the description. And we look forward to meeting you soon. Give you one last look at this amazing kitchen real quick. Ooh, look at all them cabinets. All right, y'all. Give us a call. See you soon.